Oh hello guys, it's me, the shitty August. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna try to survive this shit. Oh my god, I just literally died. Okay, welcome back to my channel. This is August, the shitty girl. Fuck you. And today I'll be like a pretty princess. I'm a pretty princess! Oh. Yeah, I hate you. If I die one more time, I'm going to MM2 and I'm gonna get a godly or I'm gonna scam. Like literally, I'm gonna scam a person. Fuck you. This is the last time. Like if I literally die over this stupid shit, I'll actually break. I'll get my PC and everything, and I'm gonna go to another country and buy another PC. That sounded like piece of shit. Okay guys, we're almost there. Okay, Ginger the Cookie YouTuber. Yeah, do you even YouTube when you use that? I'm super smart. I could just walk on my own, you motherfucker. Did you guys know if this girl is on my video, I will literally die? She's no mean to hit, but this is literally true. Oh my god, fuck. What the fuck? How did she just pew? Why did wall hop? I should better go try that out, like literally. So like guys, I have a question. Do pipsqueaks scream like a shitty bro? Okay, I'm very sorry to those who actually heard that. Do you guys know Zenitsu? He's a dumbass. And also, did you know his mother was still alive? Yeah, they just burned her alive. I mean, I'm gonna lie, bro. I'm so very pro. I'm very pro. That is hard. I'm not actually pro, guys. Oh, fuck Guys, can I ask who has the most dramatic story? Obanay or Kotoha? Kokotongan. Okay guys, I have my iconic singing voice on. Did you guys know I am a fan of Sylvia? Like the YouTube vloggers. Oh fuck you. Oh my god. Fuck you. Yo guys, I'm actually gonna die. Fuck. This is harder than my life. Oh my god, did she just die? Like literally die? Good for you, but not good for me. I'm actually trying to rush. Okay, fuck you. Fuck. I'm trying to actually hurry it up because honestly, I'm already scared. Okay, fuck you. I'm not the blue. Please do not let me die, you motherfucker. Did you guys know? Oh, fuck you. Fuck you again. I almost actually reached the top, like the top. Oh, fuck you. I think it will actually be stopped. Okay, guys, I saw a secret door. It's John Dory. Oh, fuck you. Hey, better. Help. Don't shoot. I is only looking for cheeseburger. Yeah, fuck. Oh, gotta go fast. Gotta go faster. Did you guys know that if you multiply the 1 to 100, it means you're actually smart? Okay, 1 plus 100, 1000. This is why my IQ is very very low. I use them for shitty Not to mention that I saw this girl wall hop, like, okay, let's try. Oh, fuck you. Actually, I know how to wall hop, but I am actually very very bad at it. Okay, second try. Fuck you. Did you guys remember that I was gonna go to MF2 if I was dead? Hell no, that was a joke. You don't wanna see me rage quit like Rita. Oh, I actually did a split. Oh my god. ASMR. Oh. Okay, guys. ASMR. Oh my god, it's Shrek. Shrek, why you always be like that? You're so very very mean, bro. Faster, fuck you. Did you guys know that Nezuko had a child with some shitty old man? Yeah, and Nezuko-chan has a husband actually, because they have a child, bro. Bro, they have a child. Oh my god, I thought I was actually gonna fall. I just get so nervy. If you see me at this game, just run, y'all. Just run away from me. I'm the world's most rage quitter. Did you guys know Vanny and Justin? They're actually my top 1 fans instead of Kyle. There's so many shipping creative Kyle x Vanny, bro. They're only just friends. And lastly, Kyle actually liked Vanny, like, nah, for real. They were trying to hide it. I mean, like, look at how he invited Vanny. I mean, Vanny invited him during the handgun. Do you see it? Like, bro, not gonna lie, that I think that Kyle and Vanny are actually together, but they are just friends, like something. But they're just pretending to be to be friends or something. So the fans could actually just ship them more. Ay, nakikinig yung like that, yeah. I'll have a quick story. Do you know the Amber Alert? It was a girl named Amber, and oh fuck. Okay, let me start the story. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, do you know this girl named Amber? Yeah, her name was Amber. Like, she was like 12 years old or something, and she was biking with her brother, and she did this trick, like, I don't know, she wanted to go farther and furthermore and like far away. Yeah, like they go far away. Nah, her brother was actually really frustrated or something. So he went to her parents. He went to her parents and to her grandparents actually, and then he went to her grandparents, and then when they actually got, she was gone, and the only left is her brand new bike. No one actually knows that if Amber is still alive or anything, but that actually happened a long time ago. So do not get car kidnapped. I'm telling you, do not get car kidnapped. Like, Amber Alert. Did you guys know that in Roblox 2006 there was a first Roblox player, and he played all the games that was available, and there's more players actually joining now. And do not actually guys blame the Roblox for changing the update. It was actually his sidekick Matt. I don't actually know his last name, so Matt was actually the developer of the things he made. So please do not actually blame David Katsuki. He was actually innocent, like very very innocent. The one who was behind it is actually Matt. He's the one who actually destroyed Roblox. He's the one who destroyed Roblox and made it look worse. So that's why many players are actually not gonna play Roblox. And there's this big game called Call of Duty, or in short called M. If you're playing it, I'm gonna add you. Tell me the username in your comments, and boom. Now we can play Call of Duty together. The next video I'm gonna and I do not know if you all know this game. It's called Amber Alert. It's the same girl who actually got Amber Alert. So we can continue the game without yapping about that. So first, I'm gonna sing my iconic My Little Pony song. My little pony, my little pony. Ah, my little pony. So what did friendship could be, my little pony. And you will share this magic with me. Those adventures, lots of fun, a beautiful heart, faithful and strong. Sharing kindness is the beauty and magic instant, all complete now, my little pony. To the old and all my very best friends. Okay, that's it. I actually hope you actually enjoyed my video, because I keep dying and I'm very sorry if you actually leave because I actually died. So can I keep yapping about something? Oh fuck. Okay, okay, never mind. Not gonna leave. I'm gonna keep yapping. Yeah, I'm gonna keep yapping. So did you guys know there's a girl named, never mind, I won't actually tell that story. It's quite disturbing. Okay guys, if you wanna know if you actually wanna be friends with me on YouTube and on Roblox and TikTok, try to DM me in Discord or something, because I have Discord. Like that, yeah. I have Discord, like literally, but I only have a few subscribers because I think they will not actually, and I won't actually face reveal because that's actually quite disturbing. So let me reveal my full name. My name is Kanai Hanamichi, and I'm only actually 13. I'm only 13 and I live in the Philippines. That's it. I won't actually share more of my personal information because I think you would actually kidnap me. So that's it. Okay. To one of my 3 subscribers, Rian, and Nico Robin, and I hate underscore Mitsuri XX. So why do you hate Mitsuri? She's not even a pick-me. And then I saw this. Do you know I hate underscore Mitsuri XXX? She actually hates Nico Robin. Like, she only posted a few Mitsuri videos. a few Mitsuri videos and with Obana in it, of course. And she kept commenting, bro, like, she said, "Hey, Ovana is mine, not yours. I hate you super bad." Like that, like that, like that. Go check on her YouTube channel. Yeah, go check on your YouTube channel. Okay, that's it. Kanai out.